Welcome back to Coast Outdoor Adventures. I'm Andrew. Thanks for tuning in to the second part of this Arizona backpacking trip. So I wanted to leave you guys a week to take some guesses, leave some comments below as to where you thought this trail was. And I had a couple of comments, and M Viking Fan had the closest guess. They said that it was in the Sitgreaves National Forest. And this trail is very near to there, but it's not exactly right. So where is this trail exactly? You're gonna have to stick around to the end of the video to find that out, but let's jump back in and get to the rest of this backpacking trip where me and Alan are heading out from camp on the morning of day 2. All right, everyone, give you a trail update. The time, it's 1 o'clock. We have hiked 5.25 miles. We've climbed probably about 1,000 to maybe 1,200 feet. We have about a little under 2 miles left to go to get to the summit. And we have about 1,000 feet of gain left. So this part of the trail is tough. A little bit of kicking our butts, but we're almost there. Probably, I don't know, be there around 2:30 to the top. And then we have smooth sailing downhill. Gonna try to do another, like I said, 3 to 5 miles, which will put us a couple miles from the car to hike out Saturday morning. So, hey guys, real quick, that mountain right there is where we're going. A couple more miles. Well, everyone, we got to the top. About 5 minutes later, started feeling sprinkles. Clouds started rolling in, and it sat into raining for the last 30-45 minutes, but it's finally slacking up a little bit. I think the clouds are moving out of the way. It was only a 30% chance of rain today. But I guess now it's 100. Let's see, we've gone, since we made it to the top, we've gone over 2 miles in, I would say, only about 40 minutes time. And yeah, so we're making good progress. This trail on the way back out is only 6 miles long, and like I said, we've already done 2 miles of it. So if we wanted to go all the way back to our car, we just have 4 miles, but we're gonna do maybe 3 miles and set up camp about a mile away from the car, so we have a real easy hike out tomorrow. But yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, the rain moves out and clear skies move in, and we can have another awesome, relaxing night around a campfire. So, y'all stay tuned. All right. So we have hiked 10.25 miles today. And For the 2-day total, we have gone 12 miles. So yesterday we must have only done 2 miles. This trail is 15.6 mile loop, so we're at 12 miles now. We're gonna do another 2 miles and get 12 miles in today, and that way we only have about 3 miles to hike out tomorrow. We think, fingers crossed, that the rain is over with. Still a little overcast. We are just sitting here taking a little breather. So, Alan, you want to say something to YouTube?
Oh, no.
No? Alan doesn't talk very much.
No, I do not.
So, that's about all you get from him is no. Hey, we gotta make.
I gotta save all the energy for this.
Yeah,
he's 2 miles. So.
He's saving all of his energy for the next 2 miles. We gotta make this dude talk more.
Hey, Gino, you going dumb. Woof. Hey, let's go. Yeah. I'm going dumb. I'm trying to live it and stunt.
Hey, what's up, everyone? So, before it gets dark here, wanted to give you an update. We got to camp. We found this epic camp spot, and we have our tents set up. So let me flip you around, I'll show you that. Alan's got his tent set up. Our chairs, got a camp ring. We're gathering firewood right now. And then that is my tent. So, camp right here. But let me show you why it's so awesome. Amazing. Look at this. Our campsite's right over there. Good morning, everyone. It's about 9:30 on Saturday, and we woke up around 7 and just packed up and enjoyed a nice relaxing cup of coffee at camp and headed out. So we have about 2 miles, maybe a little more than 2 miles, so we should be back at the car pretty quick, in about an hour or less, because it's all downhill. So we'll travel around 4 miles an hour. So could be as little as 30 minutes. Might take 45 minutes because we are stopping to film and whatnot. So, but yeah. So today is August the 10th, and it's my birthday. I am 43 years young. So, do me a favor. If you like going out on these adventures with me, hit the subscribe button and like button, and turn on that bell so you can know when I release new footage. I try to get something out every week. Sometimes it goes a little longer than that, but yeah, last I checked, I was 190 subscribers. So, I would love to get back to cell phone signal and see that I have over 200. So that'd be a good birthday present. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. we made it. We finished up what ended up being a 17-mile loop, and the moment you've all been waiting for. Where is this trail? This trail is the east and west Mount Baldy trails connected with a crossover trail in the Mount Baldy wilderness that is inside of the Sitgreaves National Forest. So, Viking fan, you were correct, but you weren't exactly correct. So, I'm going to send some swag your way. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and looking forward to some more backpacking in Arizona coming up in probably a month or less than a month. I'm going to Colorado. Going to be doing a very beautiful 27-mile loop trail, meeting up with some familiar faces to the channel and also some new ones. So stick around, be on the lookout for that. But guys, I appreciate all the support. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit that thumb button, and consider subscribing to the channel. I surpassed 200 subscribers now, so that's awesome. Let's just keep up the momentum and keep it going. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.
Hey, Gino, you going dumb.